Hello, my name is Sanjiro. Today I would like to talk about 3 things that ruin your baking. These are mistakes in baking that ruined my beloved bread from time to time. Firstly, not measure the flour. Here's a flour. In baking, especially bread, the ratio of flour and water is crucial. I once baked bread by just put everything using a single measuring cup. Measuring the flour and the water are different. The result was awful. After that, I always rely on some digital scale for measuring and use other proper measuring tools to be exact and avoid the same mistake. Second, substituting ingredients. If you are confident in the chemicals reaction and the subsequent reaction of those ingredients, then you can go with it. But if you are not confident, do not substitute those ingredients. If you are still new, don't be a food alchemist. It can ruin your entire food. To avoid those mistakes, you can study more about the chemicals of the food and ingredients from the internet source or some books that are reliable. 3. Forget a timer. Oh, how much time do I need to bake? Let's say just after I take a bath. Especially baking time will decide whether the bakery will go into your mouth or go into the trash. I recommend you get a timer, even a cheap one. It can save your bakery. Oh, I need to go. There are 3 things that ruin your baking. These mistakes are the mistakes I have made before, and I hope you wouldn't repeat the same mistake as I did. If you like my video, you can click like to the Facebook page and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we will start cooking together. I will share the love toward food with you. After that, especially press like to my page and subscribe to my YouTube channel. No.